Good morning to all. Staircase wiring. It is an experiment given in GE 8261 Engineering Practices Lab under electrical group. It is for all the first year engineering students. Let us know the aim of this experiment: to control a single lamp from two different places using two-way switches. For this, we need following components. They are two-way switches, two numbers. And here we have used a 60 watts bulb, connecting wires, switch for turn on main supply. Let us know the theoretical concept behind the diagram. A two-way switch is installed near the first step of the stairs. The other two-way switch is installed at the next floor level where the stairs end. The circuit can be used at other places like bedrooms, where person need not have to move for switch off the light to the place from where the light is switched on. Two numbers of two-way switches are used for the purpose. The supply is given to one switch at short circuited terminals. The connection to the light point is taken from similar short circuit terminal of the second switch. Other two independent terminals of each switch are connected through cables. Connection of staircase wiring can be explained in two ways. First one, direct connection. Look at the circuit diagram of direct connection. Here, 1 and 1 dash terminal of these two-way switches are connected directly. Similarly, 2 and 2 dash terminal of these two-way switches are connected directly. To understand the circuit, let us verify the truth table. In this truth table, 1, 2 indicates the position of switch S1, first switch. 1 dash, 2 dash are indicating the position of the switch S2, that is second switch. Here, number 1 resembles off position of switch, 2 for on position of switch. If we maintain same status of switches, that is 1, 1 dash, both are in off state, means lamp will be glowing. Similarly, 2, 2 dash, if we maintain 2, 2 dash, lamp will be glowing. If there is any variation in the status of switch, like 1, 2 dash or 2, 1 dash, lamp will not be glowing. It will be explained at the end of this video lecture in experimental section. See the cross section, cross connection. In this cross connection, terminal 1 and 2 dash are connected. Similarly, terminal 2 of first two-way switch and 1 dash of second two-way switch are connected. It looks like cross connection, so the name of this connection called cross connection. In truth table, same status of the switch is maintained, lamp will not be glowing. 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash. For these two conditions, first and last conditions, lamp is not glowing. If status of the switch is varied, like 1, 2 dash or 2, 1 dash, means lamp will be glowing. First of all, students should know what is staircase wiring. A single lamp can be controlled by two switches, that is two different places. A single lamp can be controlled from two different places. For this purpose only we are using staircase wiring. For this you need two-way switches. It consists of three terminals, terminal 1, 2, 3. This is two-way switches, right? If you are attending our lab physically, you will be provided with this kit. This one, you will be provided with this one. It is very safety. But for providing video lecture, for making video lecture, I have taken all these materials separately. This is first switch, two-way switch. This is second switch, two-way switch. And also I have taken 60 watts lamp. Right? Staircase wiring consists of two connections. First one direct connection, another one cross connection. This is called cross connection. In direct connection, first terminals of both switches have been connected, 1 dash. Similarly, last terminal of both switches have been connected, 2 dash. From the middle terminal of first two-way switch, we have taken phase connection like this. From the middle terminal of second two-way switch, we have taken connection for lamp. Another end of lamp connected with the neutral terminal. This is what you need to understand in direct connection. Terminals 1 dash are connected directly. Similarly, 2 dash are connected directly. Let us experiment this connection. Here, first two-way switch. See, already I have given connection. Terminal 1, 2. This is middle terminal. For second switch, terminal 1 dash, 2 dash, and the middle one. As I said earlier, 1 dash are connected directly. See, look at the green wire. This is 1 dash, and another terminal number 1. 1 dash are connected directly. Then 2 dash should be connected. 2 dash should be connected. Look at the black wire. So this is 2 dash of second two-way switch, and this terminal is 2 of first two-way switch. Both are interconnected. As I said earlier, phase terminal taken from the middle terminal of first two-way switch. This is first two-way switch. We have taken the phase terminal, that is blue line, blue wire. It is connected with the plug. And then from the middle terminal of second two-way switch, look at the red color wire. It is connected with the lamp. One end connected with the lamp. Another terminal of lamp connected with the neutral. Now I am going to switch on the main. Look at the status of these two switches. Now both are in off state. When both switches are in off state, lamp will glow. And the another condition, when both switches are in on state, lamp will glow. Now both switches are in off state, but lamp is glowing. If any of switches on means lamp will not be glown. Similarly, now I am going to switch on both switches. Both switches are in on condition. Now lamp is glowing. If any of switch off means lamp will. Now we are going to discuss about cross connection. In cross connection, first terminal of first two-way switch connected with 2 dash, that is 1 2 dash and 1 dash 2. The connection is in cross manner, so it is called cross connection. Look at the truth table. In cross connection, if the switches are maintained same state, that is 1 dash or 2 dash, lamp will not be glowing. Lamp is in off state. If switches are in opposite state, that is first switch is in off condition, second switch is in on condition, means lamp will be glowing. That is 1 2 dash on, 2 1 dash on. Let us experiment this. Once again I have taken the switches, two-way switches. Here this is first terminal 1 2 and the middle one. This is 1 dash, 2 dash and the middle one. Here look at this black wire. It is connected between terminal 1 and 2 dash. Terminal 1 and 2 dash. Now the cross connection is made. Similarly, look at this green wire. This green wire. Cross wire. Yes. Now look at this green wire. Here, this is first terminal of second switch, that is 1 dash, it is connected with 2. 1 dash 2 connected in cross manner. So this connection is called cross connection. Let us verify the truth table. Switch on. Now the main is turned on. Now both switches are in same state. 1 dash. Lamp is not glowing. Now I am going to vary the state of the first switch. Second switch kept at the same state. That means first switch is in on, second switch is in off. In this state, lamp is glowing. Now both switches are in on condition. 2 dash. But lamp is not glowing. Right. Now I am going to change the status of second switch. Lamp is glowing. Similarly, I am going to change the status of first switch alone. What will happen? Lamp is glowing. So it is very simple in cross connection. Same status of switch means lamp will not be glowing. If the status of the switch varied means lamp will be glowing. That's all.